Life moves faster each day, and we make sacrifices just to keep up. None more so than in the kitchen. This hurried lifestyle means having to eat hastily thrown together meals and on-the-go processed foods. As a result, your health and that of your families takes a back seat. For a growing family, this is unacceptable, and we know it. But who has the extra time, kitchen space, or energy to create healthy family meals day after day, night after night? With standard cookware, very few. But with InstaPot, there's an affordable solution for everyone, and it all happens with the press of a button. Whether it's hearty chili, spicy curry, perfect rice, refreshing dairy or non-dairy yogurt, cheesecake, in fact, pretty much any recipe you can think of. Whatever your food preference or tastes, InstaPot can make family meals happen with the simple push of a button. Thanks to the microprocessor-controlled programming, InstaPot is amazingly simple to use, while also safe, convenient, clean, quiet, and fast. It's a money saver, allowing you to cost-effectively replace 6 to 7 commonly used kitchen appliances. InstaPot is a time saver. Cooking times are 2 to 6 times faster than conventional cooking methods. InstaPot has an all-encompassing multi-cooker with up to 7 functions, replacing your slow cooker, rice cooker, food warmer, pressure cooker, steamer, sauté pan, and yes, even the yogurt maker. A single InstaPot does the job of every one of those appliances, and more. InstaPot's models, the Smart, the Duo, and the Luxe, are thoughtfully designed and offer affordable solutions for everyone. InstaPot has industry-leading safety mechanisms that make it extremely safe to use and allow for peace of mind. Just press it and forget it. Features of the InstaPot include a delay start timer, dual pressure settings, 3 adjustable modes for its lab-tested cooking programs, and an automatic keep warm. Your food will be ready when you're ready to eat. It's perfect every time. The dishwasher-safe stainless steel cooking pot, as opposed to the one with PTFE non-stick coating, only adds to InstaPot's substantial health credentials. Forget fast foods, microwavable meals, and last-minute nutrition compromises. You'll be making balanced, nourishing, healthy meals for the entire family with ease, night after night. All told, it's no surprise that InstaPot's customer reviews are generously peppered with words like love, life-changing, and magic, making it a top seller for the last 3 years running. And to accompany such a one-of-a-kind, groundbreaking product, InstaPot's online community contains hundreds of recipes from professional chefs and health coaches of all culinary disciplines. InstaPot is every bit the revolutionary product, but it's also so much more. It's a life upgrade for an entire household. You'll never forget the first moment you put InstaPot in your kitchen. InstaPot produces delicious and affordable home cooking using smart technology, which means savings on your food budget, more time to spend with your family and friends, and living a happier, healthier lifestyle. InstaPot, tools for a new lifestyle.
"900 watts of extraction technology, designed to blast at the perfect speed, transforming ordinary foods into superfoods." When you take control of your life, good habits become completely organic. From the innovators of nutrient extraction, the NutriBullet Pro.
Looking for an easy, more economical, and faster way of preserving your fresh food or ingredients? If yes, no worries. The NutriChef Vacuum Sealer is perfect for you. Introducing the NutriChef Vacuum Sealer, an innovative solution to food preservation. Designed with a fully automatic simple electric plug with its control center placed on the top panel and soft touch digital buttons along the LED indicator lights. Specifically designed to provide the best of sealing possible based on the type of food you want to seal. You can choose the dry indication for solid food items and the moist indication for poached, simmered, or steamed food. For the best of perfect sealing, all you need to do is enclose your food material you want to seal. Place it carefully in the NutriChef Vacuum Sealer, press firmly to join the 2 edges together, press the Vacuum Seal button, and wait for a couple of minutes to get sealed. The NutriChef Vacuum Sealer has been laboratory tested and proven to preserve food up to 5 times longer than zipper baggies and other containers. No better way of preserving your food other than the NutriChef Vacuum Sealer. Order for your NutriChef Vacuum Sealer today at an affordable price.
In this video, we'll learn